In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Drupal, a content management system, CMS, known for its flexibility and scalability. Whether you're new to web development or an experienced developer, Drupal offers a lot of powerful features. It's an open-source CMS, which means it's free to use and supported by a large community of developers. When you first visit the Drupal homepage, you'll notice the focus on flexibility. Drupal allows you to build everything from simple blogs to complex enterprise-level websites. The installation process is relatively straightforward, but it's important to note that you'll need some basic technical knowledge, especially if you're planning to customize your site or integrate advanced features. Once you've installed Drupal, you'll land on the admin dashboard. The interface may seem a bit overwhelming at first, especially for beginners, but it's extremely customizable. You can create content types, manage user permissions, and adjust settings to fit your specific needs. The dashboard gives you access to everything you need to create and manage your site, but it may take some time to get used to the structure and terminology. One of Drupal's key strengths is its modular approach. You can add functionality to your site by installing modules. There are thousands of contributed modules available for everything from SEO to social media integration. This modular approach means you can start with a basic website and add features as needed, but it also means you need to spend some time searching for and installing the right modules for your needs. Themes are another important part of Drupal. There are both free and paid themes available, and you can customize them to match your brand style. However, customizing Drupal themes can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with web development, as it often requires working with CSS and templates. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Drupal's flexibility is a double-edged sword. While it allows for extensive customization, it also means that building a site with Drupal requires more technical know-how than some other website builders, like WordPress or Squarespace. That said, if you have a team of developers or are willing to learn, Drupal can be an excellent choice for more complex sites that require advanced features. In terms of performance, Drupal is known for being fast and scalable. It's a great choice for large websites with high traffic, as it can handle complex data structures and content management needs. The security features in Drupal are also top-notch, with frequent security updates and a strong emphasis on protecting your site from vulnerabilities. Overall, if you're looking for a powerful, flexible CMS for building custom websites, Drupal is a solid choice. It may not be the easiest CMS to learn, but it rewards those who take the time to master it. If you're looking for a highly customizable solution with a large community and powerful features, Drupal could be exactly what you need. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth website builder reviews. Thank you for watching.